The gluteus medius muscle is one of the gluteal complex muscles that helps us to stabilize the leg bone, the big femur bone, in the hip socket. It comprises part of our hip complex. To warm up by using trigger point pressure release, we're going to apply a 5-inch fit ball across the gluteal muscles. This is called the warm-up phase. Then we're going to pause and look for and treat any hard or painful spots within the gluteal complex. Now, the gluteus medius in specific is a muscle that's very high up, almost to the hip crest or the iliac crest. So it's important that you scooch down and have the ball almost all the way up at your waist or your waistband. Hold there 10 to 15 seconds. Then we're going to rotate and treat again. 10 to 15 seconds, and I'm pretty high on the waist, almost at the top of my hip crest. That's where the trigger points can be found in the gluteus medius muscle. I'm rotating out to the side now. I'm kind of getting a little bit more to those lateral fibers. Then I can rotate back, and I'm right treating next to where the sacrum is, or the tailbone. So I would hold each spot for 10 to 15 seconds. If it's too much pressure, you can use your own body weight to come away from the ball, or you can just move to a spot that doesn't hurt so much. To stretch the gluteus medius muscles, you can literally lean back and bring your legs straight up to your waist, rotate and across the chest. You can also, while sitting up, bring the arm up and rotate over. This also stretches the piriformis muscle. Range of motion for the gluteus medius muscle will include, you'll be able to see the leg kicks, bring it up, and lunge up, or you can cross in front and here, cross in front here, or cross behind and here. So there's a helpful hint on the treatment of the gluteus medius muscle, which causes low back, sacrum, and middle of the gluteal pain, brought to you by the Chicago Center for Myofascial Pain Relief.